Okay, so the canvas that I'm using is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, but honestly you can use whatever size canvas you want. We're going to take the same paints that we mixed up already, and if you've just taken these out of the freezer or have just mixed them, it's a really good idea to spray them with some water. So I just have water in a random bottle here, and the reason being is just acrylics dry out so quickly. So if you just give them a bit of spray throughout or while you're painting, it's just going to help them not dry out. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to split our canvas. So this completely depends on how big you want to make the sky or how big you want to make the sea. What I'm going to do is maybe do about 3/4. So maybe something like that. A little bit less. So what I'm marking out here is the sky. Again, you can go a bit under or a bit higher depending on where you want to put the sky. Wasn't perfectly straight, so I'm going to do that again. Okay, something like that. And then basically we're going to take the colors that we mixed for the sky and just start to put them on the canvas. What I'm going to use is this paintbrush here, quite a big paintbrush, and I'm just going to take the paint and apply it on. What I'm going to start with is the brightest orange color, and I'm going to put that down here, and then I'm going to slightly lighten it up as I move upward. Okay, so taking the brightest color. And then going slightly lighter, so taking the next color over here. And sort of just blending those two colors together. And all I'm really doing now is going back and forward with the different colors, just introducing them into the canvas and then blending them out. And if you feel that the paint isn't gliding easily across the canvas, what you can do is just spray again onto your palette. Okay, this is just your base layer, so you don't have to worry too much about it being perfect. But what I have is the kind of darker orange here, and then it moves slightly into a lighter color. Okay, so once the sky has started to dry, what you can do is just take off the paint, take off the tape, and before we start the sea, you want to make sure that the sky is actually dry. So you can either take out a hairdryer and just go over it lightly, or you can just wait. This is still not really dry, so I'm going to wait another few minutes. So once it's dry, you're just going to take another piece of tape, or even the same piece, and you're going to put it across the sky now. So we're going to section off the sea. So I'm just going to place it on top here. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing for the sea, where I'm just going to take my different colors and I'm going to introduce them onto the canvas. So it doesn't really matter what color you start with. I'm going to start with the darkest one. And then the middle color. And then the lightest color. And I just want to try blend it out as well, the same way we did for the sky. Okay, so then when you're done with that, what you can do is just take off your tape. And if there's any type of, overlap or mess here, what you can just do is take a type of a flat brush and wet it with a little bit of water and just go across gently. But I'm not too worried about this tiny little bit here because these are only our base layers. Okay, so that's it for day 2 of our 10-minute painting daily challenge. What we're going to be doing in the next video is putting down another layer and starting to put in the details and the outline. So if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, if you're going to take a break between now and the next painting or the next stage, don't forget to put your paints into the freezer so that they don't dry out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.